This is our class 8th DAV maths book. Today we are doing here question number 6 and question number 7 of chapter 2, worksheet 2 of chapter name cubes and cube roots. Today we will begin our next question in this worksheet with a new idea. Today's thought is a small act of kindness can make a big difference. Be the reason someone smiles today. So let's start this question with beautiful thought. So here our question number 6 is find the smallest number by which 16,384 be divided so that the quotient may be a perfect cube. In this question we have to find the smallest number by which we can divide 16,384 to make a quotient a perfect cube. We can do this question by the prime factorization method. Then we can form a triplet, and the number who can't form a triplet, by that number we can divide 16,384. So this is the answer of our question. So let's start this question by writing answer. I write here question number 6 answer. Now we have to do the prime factorization of this 16,384. Here 4 is a even number divisible by 2. 2 is a 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, again divisible by 2, again divisible by 2, 6 is an even number, 8 is also an even number, again divisible by 2, 4 is an even number, again divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, again divisible by 2, 8 again divisible by 2, here 4 at the ones place, again divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then again divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now we have to stop here. Here this is our remainder 1. Now we have to stop here. Then I write here under root, here cube 16,384 is equal to, now under root, here this cube 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I have to write here 14 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Now we have to form here triplet. This 3 numbers form a triplet, these 3 numbers form a triplet, these 3 numbers are form a triplet, these 3 numbers form a triplet. But in the next 2 multiplied by 2, here this can't form a triplet here. So here 2 multiplied by 2, here this can't form a triplet here. So we have to remove these 2 from here. So 2 multiplied by 2, we have to remove this 2 multiplied by 2 from here. Now we have to divide 16,384 by 4 to make a quotient a perfect cube. Here, now I write here. Here we have to divide 16,384 by this 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Here 4 is our answer of this question. Now move to the next question, that is question number 7. Last question of this worksheet 2. So our question number 7 is find the cube root of the following numbers through estimation. This question have 4 parts, 1 2 3 4, but we are doing here only question number 7, only first part. So our first part is 10,648. We have to find the cube root of this number 10,648, but through the estimation method. Here this is our first part, 10,648. Now we have to divide this in 2 groups, first group and our second group. In this question we have to form the groups of the 3 digits starting from the right side or from the back. Here this is our first, I write again here 10,648. This is our first group starting from the back. 648 is our first group. and here 10 is our second group. Here this is our first group, this is our second group. In this question we have to start this question, forming pair from the back, from this side. Here we have 8 at the ones place. Here I write ones place, here I write tens place. We have 8 at the ones place. And the cube of 2 is, that is 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 means this is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So we get at ones place is, that is I write here at ones place this 2. Now we have to find this tens place. Now I write here 1 ka cube is equal to 1, 2 ka cube is equal to 8 and 3 ka cube is equal to 27. Now in the middle I write the second group, and our second group is 10. 10 is less than 27 and 8 is less than 10. In the middle of this 10, this is our second group, and 8 is less than 10 and 10 is bigger than 8 and less than 27. I can also write 8 as 2 ka cube less than 10 less than 3 ka cube. Here this 10 is lies between the 2 ka cube and the 3 ka cube. Now in this question we take the short cube. So in 2 ka cube and 3 ka cube, the short cube is 2 ka cube. So at tens place we can write the number 2, or we place the number 2. So here our answer is 22. 22 is our answer. 2 at ones place and 2 at tens place. This is digit at tens place, this is digit at tens place, and this is digit at ones place. All three parts are similar to this one. So again I repeat this question. This is given question 10,648. Then we group this in. Then we divided this in two groups. This is our first group. This is our second group. Start from the back, make group. 648 first group. Then 10 is our second group. Here our ones place digit is 8. We can write 2 ka cube as 8. 2 ka cube is also is equal to 8. So at ones place I write it 2. Then our second number is 10. I write it as here, and it is greater than this 27. It is less than this 27, and it is greater than this number 8. Now we can write 8 as 2 ka cube and 27 as 3 ka cube. Now in this we find out the shortest cube, and in 2 ka cube and 3 ka cube, 2 ka cube is the smallest cube. So from here I write at tens place this 2, and our answer is this 22. So that's all in today's video.